condensed glue gels already, but I didn't get time to do, well, I didn't do a top coat yet because I don't want them to stay in there without doing any crystal placements. Oh my god, so excited. Okay, so this beautiful nails, we're gonna do this cute little bars right there, and to continue with the flame. Oh, I like that. I found this really cute one. She's so cute. The frame, two of them. There you go. She's so cute right there. One more. I'm so obsessed with this frame. I want, like, I can get Chan to, I used to do a lot of this and plays with this, and then I'm so happy and glad I get to do it again. There is whole entire cool fun techniques with this. Cute. Okay, now I'm gonna go hunting for tiny little one. I found it. She's probably, oh, she's a different colors. She's like, why is Ruby rose in here? But maybe I did it, I spilled it earlier. Like talking once earlier, Sarah did her live video and I said, I totally feel you, Sarah. Same thing, our spills everything. Like with just literally the last time I did, what time before that we did the live video, and I spill whole entire my crystal clear. And it just stick on the napkin, the paper towel, and then I accidentally leave it up, and then of course, guess what? I spill it. How you ladies doing? Sorry, I'm in my zone here, and I just like, I couldn't see it higher on the screen. I have it on the side, but just want to make sure you all ladies doing good. Okay, so maybe, oh, you know what? I found something. Finally, I found this cute little shooting star. She's super cute right there. She's tiny. I want her like that, just tiny. I think I should call it good, huh? Unless you ladies want more, then we're talking about that later. Like, okay. Mr. Risa said it's so extra. All right. There's not many crystals, but it looks cute, right? Okay, sorry. I am going to cure it before it's running away from me. And if you're doing 2 nails for clients like that, and then before you cure, make sure you check both of crystal placement and the frame from both nails. If you need to adjusting like this, you adjust it. So before you place them in under the lamp, it's gonna look nice. So damn good. I'm gonna cure it now. I can see it right there. One of them I'm moving off. Okay. What, Maya? Your birthday in June. Guinea pig? Guinea pig? Guinea pig? Is it real guinea pigs, Jessica?
Yeah, that's a guinea pig.
Oh. Your birthday guinea pig. Hope you like it. My brothers used to have guinea pigs though. My sister, younger sister, she had her pet. Her pet's a long, like, he's really old, and he's a like short, big snake. Look great, everyone. If you're happy with this, okay. Let me move all of this because they're so bright and sparkles. And so then we can do the precision glues on all of them. This is nice and done already, but here is really cool tip and tricks and secrets to really keep it double secure. All crystals and keep it stay in one place. I just spill stuff too, you can hear behind the scene. So clumsy. Okay, let me show you with this, my precision glue. I always using it beside the stack. Let's look first.